Hello, everyone. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. Welcome back to English Simple Podcast.
Today, we're talking about travel. Whether you're planning a trip or already traveling, you need to know the right English phrases.
From the airport to the hotel, from restaurants to asking for directions, we'll cover everything. So if you're ready, let's start our journey.
Let's start at the airport. The first thing you do is check in. Go to the check-in counter and show your passport. The staff will give you your boarding pass. This is your ticket to get on the plane. They might ask, how many bags are you checking in? If your bag is too heavy, you might pay extra. This is called excess baggage.
After check-in, you go through security. Put your bag, phone, keys, and metal objects in a tray. Then walk through the metal detector. Sometimes they ask you to remove your shoes or belt. Don't worry, it's normal. Just follow their instructions.
The security staff might say, please remove your laptop from your bag, or do you have any liquids? Remember, you can only carry small bottles, usually 100 milliliters or less. After security, go to your gate and wait.
Now you're at the gate. Check the screen to make sure you're at the correct gate. Sometimes gates change, so keep checking. When it's time to board, you'll hear an announcement like, we are now boarding rows 20 to 30.
Show your boarding pass to the flight attendant. They might say, welcome aboard, or your seat is on the left. Find your seat, put your carry-on bag in the overhead bin, and fasten your seatbelt.
During the flight attendants will offer drinks and snacks. They might ask, would you like something to drink? You can say, can I have water, please? Or, I'll have orange juice, thank you.
If you need anything, press the call button or ask a flight attendant. Say, excuse me, could I have a blanket, please? Or, can I get some headphones? Be polite, and they'll help you.
When you land, follow signs to immigration. This is where they check your passport. There are different lines for citizens and visitors. Make sure you're in the correct line.
When it's your turn, give your passport to the immigration officer. They'll ask questions like, what is the purpose of your visit? Say, I'm here for tourism, or I'm visiting family.
They might also ask, how long are you staying? You can say, I'm staying for 1 week. Another question, where are you staying? Tell them your hotel name or address.
Answer clearly and honestly. Don't be nervous. After they stamp your passport, go to baggage claim. Look for your flight number on the screens. Wait at the carousel for your bag.
Once you have your bag, go through customs. They check if you're bringing anything illegal. Usually, you just walk through. Sometimes they ask, do you have anything to declare? If not, say, no, nothing to declare.
When you arrive at your hotel, go to the reception desk. Say, hello, I have a reservation under the name Alex Carter. They'll ask for your ID and maybe a credit card.
They'll give you a room key and tell you your room number. They might explain hotel facilities. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m., or the gym is on the second floor.
If you have questions, ask now. Say, what time is checkout? Or, is there Wi-Fi in the room? Or, can you recommend a good restaurant nearby?
During your stay, if you need anything, call the front desk. Say, hi, I'm in room 305. Can I get some extra towels, please? They're there to help.
When it's time to leave, go to the front desk. Say, I'd like to check out, please. I'm in room 305. They'll print your bill.
Check the bill to make sure it's correct. If everything looks good, pay and return your key. Some hotels have express checkout, where you just leave the key in a box.
Now let's talk about eating out. When you enter a restaurant, wait for someone to seat you. A host will ask, how many people? Say, just one, or 2 people, please.
They'll take you to a table and give you a menu. When the waiter comes, they'll say, can I get you something to drink? If you need more time, say, can I have a few more minutes, please?
When you're ready, order drinks first. I'll have a Coke, please. Then order food. I'd like the grilled chicken, or I'll have the pasta, please.
If you have dietary restrictions, tell them. Say, I'm vegetarian. Do you have vegetarian options? Or, I'm allergic to nuts. Does this dish contain nuts?
If you want recommendations, ask, "What do you recommend?" or "What's the specialty here?" They'll help you choose something good.
After you finish, the waiter might ask, "How was everything?" Say, "It was delicious, thank you." When you're ready to leave, ask, "Can I have the check, please?"
In American English, they say check. In British English, they say bill. Both are fine. Check your bill, then pay with cash or card. Tip is usually 10 to 15%.
Imagine you're exploring and you get lost. Don't panic. Approach someone friendly and say, "Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the train station."
They might say, "Go straight down this street for 2 blocks, then turn left at the traffic light. You'll see it on your right."
Let me explain direction words. Go straight means continue without turning. Turn left and turn right are clear. At the corner means where two streets meet.
On your left or on your right tells you which side. Across from means opposite side. Next to means beside. Between means in the middle of two things.
Sometimes people use landmarks, walk past the big supermarket, or it's near the post office. If you don't understand, say, "Sorry, could you repeat that, please?"
You can also ask, "Could you speak a bit slower?" Or, "Can you show me on my map?" Don't forget to thank them. Thank you so much.
Let's talk about shopping. When you enter a shop, staff might ask, "Can I help you?" If you're just looking, say, "No, thank you, I'm just looking."
If you need help, say, "Yes, I'm looking for a souvenir," or "Do you have this in a different size?" To try clothes on, ask, "Can I try this on?"
When you're ready to buy, take it to the cashier. They'll tell you the price and ask, "Will that be cash or card?" Choose how you want to pay.
In some countries, you can bargain at markets. Ask, "Is this your best price?" Or, "Can you give me a discount?" The seller might lower the price.
You can counter with, "How about $20? Bargaining is like a game. Be friendly, not rude. But remember, you can't bargain in big stores or malls."
Now, let's talk about getting around. For taxis, you can hail one on the street or use an app like Uber. When you get in, say, "Can you take me to the city center, please?"
Having the address on your phone is helpful if the driver doesn't speak much English. Before you start, ask, "How much will it cost?" Or, "Do you use the meter?"
The meter calculates the fare based on distance. It's better to use the meter for a fair price. When you arrive, pay the driver. If the ride was good, give a small tip.
For public transport, like buses and trains, is usually cheaper. To use a bus, find the bus stop and check which buses stop there.
When the bus arrives, get on and pay the driver or tap your card. Ask, "Does this bus go to the museum?" to make sure you're on the right one.
For trains, buy a ticket from a machine or counter. If you're unsure, ask, "Excuse me, how do I buy a ticket to downtown?"
Go through the gates and wait on the platform. Trains have maps showing all stops. Pay attention to announcements. You can ask passengers, "Is this the train to the airport?"
Let's talk about emergencies. Hopefully you won't need these, but it's good to know them. If you need help, say, "Help!" or "I need help."
For medical emergencies, say, "I need a doctor," or "Call an ambulance, please." Know the emergency number, 911 in the US, 112 in Europe, 999 in the UK.
If you lose your passport, go to your embassy. Say, "I lost my passport. I need to report it." They'll help you get a temporary document.
If something is stolen, go to the police station. Say, "I want to report a theft. My bag was stolen." They'll give you a police report for insurance.
If you're sick, go to a pharmacy. Say, "I have a headache. Do you have anything for that?" Pharmacists can help with minor issues.
To find a hospital, ask, "Where is the nearest hospital?" Your hotel can also help with emergencies. Just say, "I need your help. This is an emergency."
Before we finish, here are some quick travel tips. Always carry a photocopy of your passport. Keep it separate from the original.
Learn a few basic phrases in the local language. Even just hello and thank you shows respect and people appreciate it.
Download offline maps on your phone. Google Maps lets you download maps to use without internet. Super helpful when you're lost.
Always keep some local cash. Not all places accept cards, especially small shops or street vendors.
Be aware of local customs. In some countries, you take off shoes before entering a house. In others, tipping is expected. Do a little research.
Keep your valuables safe. Use a money belt or secure bag. Don't flash expensive jewelry or large amounts of cash.
Finally, be open-minded and patient. Flights get delayed. Things don't always go as planned. That's part of the adventure. Stay calm and enjoy the experience.
Now it's time to practice. We'll give you scenarios, and you say the phrases out loud. Ready?
Scenario 1. You're at airport check-in. Say, I have a reservation. Here's my passport. Go ahead.
Scenario 2. You're on the plane and want water. Say, can I have some water, please? Try it.
Scenario 3. You arrive at your hotel. Say, hello, I have a reservation under the name, and add your name. Do it now.
Scenario 4. You're at a restaurant. Say, I'd like the chicken, please. Say it out loud.
Scenario 5. You're lost. Say, excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the museum. Practice.
Great job. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Keep practicing these phrases every day.
Well, that's it for today's lesson on travel English. We covered so much.
From the airport to the hotel, from restaurants to asking for directions and even emergencies.
We hope you feel more confident about traveling now. Remember, practice is key.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes. People are usually kind and patient with travelers.
Before you go, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We make videos every week to help you improve.
Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful.
And leave a comment. Tell us, where do you want to travel? What country do you dream of visiting?
We'd love to hear from you.
Safe travels, everyone. The world is waiting for you.
See you in the next video.
Goodbye.